Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Theta on Binance application. Keep watching the video till the end. To buy Theta on Binance, firstly open your Binance application. The home page of Binance will appear on the screen. Click on Buy Crypto option. On the next page, you can either enter Theta on the search box or scroll down and click on it. Enter your amount and tap on Buy. Check your card details, your cash balance and click on Confirm. This is how you can buy Theta on Binance application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.